The first box of eggs. In a quiet village in New South Wales, a poor mother named Mary lived with her only son, Daniel. Their house was small, but every corner had love. Mary worked on farms. Some days she cleaned chicken sheds. Some days she packed eggs into brown boxes. Every night she came home tired, but she still smiled for her son. One evening, Daniel saw her counting coins on the kitchen table. "Mom, why do you work so much?" he asked. Mary looked at him gently. "So you can study, my son," she said. "I want your life to be bigger than mine." Daniel lowered his eyes. "Then I will leave school and help you." Mary quickly held his hand. "No, Daniel. If you leave school, my tiredness will become useless. Promise me you will study." Daniel's eyes filled with tears. "I promise, Mom." Years passed. Daniel studied under a small lamp every night. When other boys played, he helped his mother first, then opened his books. He remembered her old shoes. He remembered her rough hands. He remembered how she ate less so he could eat more. Daniel finished school, then went to Sydney to study business. Life was hard, but he never forgot his mother's words. One day, during a class project, he remembered the egg boxes his mother packed for other people. He whispered, "One day, I will build our own egg farm." After many years, Daniel returned to the village. Mary was standing outside their old house. "My son," she said, smiling. Daniel hugged her tightly. "Mom, I came back to build something." "What will you build?" she asked. Daniel smiled. "An egg farm. You packed eggs for others. Now we will pack eggs from our own farm." Mary covered her mouth. Tears came into her eyes. The farm started small, with a few hens and one old shed. But Daniel worked honestly. He treated workers kindly and sold fresh eggs to nearby towns. Slowly, the farm grew. One morning, Daniel gave his mother the first box of eggs from their own farm. On the box he had written, "Mary's Farm, built by a mother's sacrifice." Mary cried and held the box close to her heart. Daniel said, "Mom, people say I became successful, but the truth is, your love built this farm before I did." Mary smiled through her tears. "My son," she said, "a mother only plants the seed. A good child makes it grow." Moral of the story: a mother's love can turn poverty into hope, and her sacrifice can become the beginning of a child's success.